This is the HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So the first step that you need to take is to make sure that your device is somehow connected to the network. Should it be through Wi-Fi or the cellular network. Next, you gotta launch the Google Play Store app. In here, at the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. After the application has been successfully installed, you gotta launch it as well as set it up. So firstly, we need to click on this blue continue button, then choose whether some of the options the browser has to offer will be enabled from the start. So I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is this page that allows you to, customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, which you can do by tapping on the customize button or simply allow everything that it needs. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.